Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for those of you who are interested in updating your TV, I don't see why not, because this is an update that everybody is gonna want to have. This is basically an update for Android 8.0, which is Oreo. For these models that they're gonna name right now, go ahead and go through it. These are these are the TVs that the update are gonna hit. They said the end of November, and it kind of is the end of November, but they haven't rolled it out yet. So I don't know if it's a delay on it, but there's a couple changes only to the interface. So don't expect like better picture quality and stuff like that. It's only for interface. You know, a lot of people complain about Sony's OS, and they're making a big change to it. At least Sony's like listening to us at least. So just gonna go through some changes. It says a home menu change. It's gonna look like this now, just like the OS on the Master Series TVs. So they're changing the whole interface right here. Help menu. This would benefit people who use the OS. Me myself, I don't use the OS because of how it was before. I'd rather to stream through my Roku Ultra, and I just use my apps through there. But this is for people who do use the OS. You're gonna get a faster, snappier um, experience with the OS, which is the Android 8.0. So but personally, I just wish they would bring back the option to favor resolution or favor frame rate, because I would just keep it on resolution to get the best out of my TV. So these are just some of the changes that's happening with the new OS. You know, a lot of people are a little skeptical about, updating their TV, but I think this is one update that you should get. Now, this is funny, right? It says features no longer supported. I don't know what they really mean by these things are not supported, or from the content bar. I guess it's not something that you just see right in front of you. I guess you gotta find it. You gotta look for these things. Netflix, YouTube, Crackle, Play Memories, and Video. That's something new to me. Never heard of Play Memories before. Is that new? Maybe. Live football mode. That was something that a lot of people were skeptical about using. Basically, it's just football. It's just sports mode with enhancement for football. So it'll give you more colors on the jerseys and stuff like that. I guess they're taking that out. Yeah, live football mode is removed, so no more of that. So basically, this is just like the Master Series OS. So if that's the case, I wonder if we get the Netflix preset. Probably IPv6. That's something that we do need, and it's gone. I think they're gonna give us the VP9 now instead of that, which is good for 4K. Yeah, see, newly added support. Yeah, the VP9. Yes, that's a good thing right there. There's a couple of things that they support now. Formats that they support. Remove of the PlayStation Video from the lineup of pre-installed apps. PlayStation Video is removed. Uh-oh. That's not good. Install the update at your own risk. Now, why would they put something like that? It's an update for the OS. Why would they put something like that? That doesn't make any sense. The software cannot be reverted to the previous version. You guys hear that? Some settings may reset and need to be reconfigured. So if you have any settings in your TV, make sure you write them down so you can re-enter them. You may need to update the apps from Google Play, etc. So if you have old apps, you might need to update them. And that's basically it. So like I said, it's supposed to be rolled out already, but I don't know what's going on with that. It's like 2 more days of November, so maybe it might be pushed back. So this tab was in your home menu for a while now. I just didn't really talked about it that much because I don't really use it like that because it was like so horrible to use that. So I just kept it to the side. So yeah, these are the TVs that it's made for. I thought it was gonna be when they first introduced it. They said it's gonna be for the X1 Extreme chip TVs, but I guess not. It's just that the 2017 X1s are getting it, and of course the Z90 is 2016, but it has the chip already in it. So yeah, we're gonna be running the same OS as the Master Series. Hope you guys are happy about that. And that's it. Just want to share this with you guys so you guys know it's coming. Oreo 8.0 is coming. And that's it. All right, guys. Take care. Peace.